Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add free Robux to your Roblox account. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your Roblox application, so it doesn't matter you have iPhone or Android device, the steps are the same. And then you need to know that there is no actually button that allows you to add free Robux to your account, but you can try to do some ways to add free Robux. So first of all, if you have a lot of friends, all you need to do is to open your friends list. You need to click on the friends button under your profile name. Here it is, and then you will see your list of friends. So if you have some close friends, you can ask them to get you a Robux, so they can gift you a Robux, for example. So actually you can enter some Roblox game and ask people to gift you a Robux, but you need to know that you mustn't give people your credit card information. It is forbidden. But as you can see, if you click on the Robux icon at the top right, the cheapest Robux you can buy is 40 Robux. You can buy it, but if you want to get free Robux, the only one way you need to do is to ask your friends and ask people in different games to gift you Robux. And that's all, and that's how to add free Robux to your Roblox account. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.